Welcome back to new class, new topic. Already you have learned lecture 1, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square type maths. Now you have to know express as the difference of two squares and find the cube, simplify and prove that. Let's come back. Please follow the board. Here is express 3x plus 5y into 7x minus 5y as the difference of two squares. We all know the rules and corollary. AB equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. At first, here is the math described x and y, so we have to take a and b. So this equal a and this equal b. AB equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Just putting the value 3x plus 5y, this is a, and plus 3x minus 5y, a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. So we have got a plus b by 2 and a minus b by 2. Now we draw the bracket, we will get the answer. Just we do the bracket, we will get 3x plus 5y plus 7x 5y divided by 2 whole square. Now here is minus, here is minus. Come back. Here is 3x plus 5y minus plus a minus into plus minus 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 plus 5y divided by 2. Now already we have got plus into plus 7x plus into minus 5y, and here is minus 3x plus 5y minus 7x minus plus 5y. Now you can see here is minus 5y plus 5y. We can see here is 3x plus 7x equal to 3 plus 7 equal to 10x divided by 2 whole square minus here is 5y equal to 10y. 10, here is 3x minus 7x, so we get 4x divided by 2 whole square. So 10 by 2 we get here is 5x whole square. Here is 10y, here is 4y, both are even number, so we can take common 2, we get 5y minus twice x divided by 2 whole square. Because here is 4 is even, 10 is also even. Here is 2. So 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10. Taken common 2, 5y minus 2x. So we can cut 2 and 2 cut. We get 5x whole square minus 5y minus twice x whole square. So we have got the answer of express as the difference of two squares. Express as the difference of two squares. This is very important maths. Okay, this maths done. Express as the difference of two squares. Now we will do find the cube of. Find the cube, simplify and find the value, show that and prove that using cube. So we have to know a few rules and few corollary also. Here is a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3 square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and follow the board. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3 square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, and find the value and show that and prove that. If you can see the using cube, be careful. The find out the for show that and prove that using square is the different, and here is cube, these are different. So a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, and a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. And for using formula, find the product of using formula and resolve into factors, you have to follow two rules. a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube plus b cube equal a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. These are the important. You have to keep it in your mind, that it is very easy for you. Let's come back. We will solve, find the cube of. We will learn now find the cube of. You can say find the cube of 3x plus y. For this, cube of 3x plus y, here is 3x plus y cube. That means a plus b whole cube. Follow here, a plus b whole cube. So this is a 3x position. This is a position and y is the b position. So a plus b whole cube. We will get a cube plus 3ab 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Follow the board. 3x plus y, this is a, that means a cube plus 3, that means 3a, 3x, this is a square, b, this is a and this is b. For this, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Now bracket out 3 cube, 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27 x cube plus 3 3 is a 9 into 3, 27 x square y, 3 is a 9 x y square plus y cube. So we have got find the cube of 3x plus y. If you can say here is minus, then you have to use a minus b whole cube rules. So for plus, you have to use a plus b whole cube. For minus, you have to use a minus b whole cube. So find the cube. We have learned find the cube. Now we will learn some simplify. Here is another. Here is simplify. 3x plus y whole cube plus 3 into 3x plus y whole square. 3x minus y plus 3 into 3x plus y, 3x minus y whole square plus 3x minus y whole cube. You can say that if you if we compare this maths in this maths, we can say a cube plus 3a square b, 3ab square plus b cube. Here is big term, so try to convert into small. So target first cube and last cube. So here is 3x plus y. I have taken 3x plus y equal to a and 3x minus y equal to b. So your maths will be short. If you can say big maths, you have to take, if the math described by xy, then try to take replacing xy, try to take a and b. And if the math described by a and b, you have to take x and y. So you can say here is I have taken 3x plus y equal to a, 3x minus y equal to b. If I compare these maths in these rules, so we get a cube plus 3a square b, 3ab square plus b cube. So a cube plus 3a square b, 3ab square plus b cube. You can see here this equal to a plus b whole cube. We can write a plus b whole cube. So we have got a plus b whole cube. What is the values of a? A equal to 3x plus y. What is the values of b? 3x minus y. But if you can see minus, then we have to use these rules. Okay? For plus, we have to use these rules. For minus, we have to use these rules. So here is a equal to 3x plus y. Try to use bracket and 3x minus y. Here is cube. Let's come back. Here is 3x plus y plus into plus 3x plus minus plus into minus minus. Here is cube. So we get minus y plus y cut. We get 3x plus 3x, 3 plus 3 equal to 6x whole cube. So we get cube means multiplied by 3 times. So 6 cube, that means 6 cube equal to 6 cube equal to 6 into 6 into 6. So we get 6 into 6, 36 multiplied by 6. We get 6 into 6, 36, 6 Here is 3, 6 to the 18 plus 3, 216. 216 x cube. So we have done the simplify. We have got answer 216 x cube. Let us another simplify. This is very important for you. You can say here is 7x minus 6. 7x minus 6 is important to simplify. You can say here is 7x minus 6 whole cube, 5x minus 6 whole cube, but here is 6x, then 7x minus 6, 5x minus 6. So we know the rules. Here is a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube also. Let's come back here. 7x minus 6. So here is cube, here is cube. So you can say here is 3, here is 3, here is 3, here is 3. So here is 6. So you have to bring, if you can see square type maths, I follow the board. If you can say square type maths, square, then you have to take at first 2. You have to take at first 2. But if you can see here is cube, here is cube. So you have to take here is 3, here is 3. Then this 3 divided by 6x. 3, see in the same way you can see here is 6x. So we have taken 3 because why we will take 3? Because here is cube, here is cube. So I have taken at first 3. Okay. Now here is 6x divided by this 3. So we will get here is the remaining is 2x. For this here is 2x. Now you can see here is 7x minus 6, 5x minus 6. Now we have to start let 7x minus 6 equal to a. Why a? Because this mass described by x. For this you have to take a and this equal to b. So already we have got a and b, but we have not got 2x equal to what? So you have to bring 2x. So how is it possible to you have to get 2x? So if we subtract 7x minus 5x, we will get 2x. We will get 2x equal to a minus b. You have to write side note here, subtracting. So we get 2x equal to a minus b. Now you can write the given expression equal to this equal to a cube. Here is minus b cube minus 3 into twice x equal to a minus b. Twice x equal to a minus b. And here is a, this is b. A, b. Try to rearrange. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus of b. Tries a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Let's come back here. So after this we know actually a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. This is extra part. Why we are doing this? This is minus. So you have to write minus here. Because this mass described by minus. So a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here is a cube minus b cube at first. So if we rearrange a cube minus b cube at first, a cube minus b cube, here is a cube, here is b cube. Rearrange. So we will take common from here. Here is minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Take common thrice ab. We get, you can say here is a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. For this we can write a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b equal to what? A minus b. We can write a minus b whole cube. Now come back here. A minus b equal to what? A minus b equal to twice x. A minus b equal to twice x. So we have got 8x cube. We have got 8x cube. This is very important. Okay. So again come back. 7x minus 6 whole cube minus 5x minus 6 whole cube minus 6x into 7x minus 6 5x minus 6. So we know the rules. A minus b whole cube equal a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here is 3 is missing. 3 is missing. For this I have taken here is 3. So I have got here 2x. In this way I have got here 2x. And here is this and 5x this. Let's start. 7x minus 6 equal to a. This equal to b. So how is it possible to get 2x? Subtracting a and b. Subtract. We get 2x twice x equal to a minus b. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a minus b into ab. Just rearrange a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This equal to what? We don't know because we have learned a plus b and a minus b. We have learned. Now this is rules. A minus b whole cube equal to this. Just rearrange. We get this. Okay. Now we get a minus b whole cube. A minus b equal to what? A minus b equal to twice x. Twice x, 8x cube. So we have done simplify. Our simplified task done. Now we will do find the value, show that and prove that. We will do show that and prove that type maths. So here is, you can say find the value, show that and prove that. You have to follow a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab into a plus b. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b whole cube plus thrice ab into a minus of thrice ab into a minus b. So let's come back. Here is a plus 1 by a equal to 3. Show that a cube plus 1 by a cube equal to 18. So if you can say this type of maths, you have to write given. You have to write given. Follow the board. You have to write given. A plus 1 by a equal to 3. So a cube plus 1 by a cube. 1 by a cube. So actually this equal to a cube plus 1 by a whole cube. Now easily you can understood the a cube plus b cube. Can you see? So a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab into a plus b. For this, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. Be careful. A plus b whole cube minus thrice ab into a plus 1 by a. Here is a is a and 1 by a is b. Now what is the value of a plus 1 by a equal to 3? You can say a plus 1 by a equal to 3. This is 3 cube minus 3 into a cut. This equal to, this value is 3. You can write here a plus 1 by a equal to 3. So 3 that means 3 cube equal to 27 minus 9 we get 18. We have got 18. Very easy maths. So a plus b whole cube, that means a plus 1 by a whole cube minus thrice 3 into a into 1 by a plus 1 by a. 3 cube minus 3 into 3. This value is 3. A 1 by a cut. So 3 is a 9. Here is 27. We have got 18. Therefore, we have got left hand side equal to right hand side. Here is show that. So you have to write showed. You have to write showed. So this is left hand side and we have got right hand side. So this maths done. Here is, if a minus 1 by a equal to 5, then a cube minus 1 by a cube equal to what? This is also find the value. That means you have to follow. Here is minus. For this we have to follow a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. If it is cube, then you have to follow cube. a cube minus b cube equal a minus b whole cube plus thrice ab into a minus b. Very easy maths. So here is a cube minus 1 by a cube. The same way a cube minus 1 by a cube equal to, this is a cube, this is b cube. So a cube minus b cube equal to, we can write a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. This is a and this is b. This is a and this is b. So follow these rules. We can see a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So a cut. What is the value of a minus 1 by a equal to? Here is 5. That means 5 cube plus 3. A minus 1 by a equal to 5. You have to write a minus 1 by a equal to 5. Keep it in a bracket. This is the side note. So 5 cube equal to 125 plus 15. So 125 plus 15 equal to 140. So we have done this. This is also important maths. You can see here is a square plus b square equals c square. So that a to the power 6, b to the power 6, 3 a square b square c square equal to c to the power 6. If you can see 4, you have to convert the maths in square. Okay. But if you can see 6, you have to try to convert into cube. Okay. So you can see here is 6, here is 6. So convert into square, or easy way, you have to follow the given part. You have to follow the given part. Here is a square, here is a square. So a cube, b cube. Here is 3a square b square c square, 3a square b square c square. We have got a cube plus b cube. Now follow the rules. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab into a plus b. So a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab into a plus b. This is a, this is b, and this plus, here is this plus 3 a square b square c square. Be careful. Now a square plus b square equal to what? A square plus b square equal to c square. Here is c square cube minus 3 a square b square, this equal to c square plus 3 a square b square c square. Right, a square plus b square equal to c square. Side note is essential. So you can say 3a square minus, here is plus, so just cut it, remove it. So we get c to the power 6. So here is c to the power 6. So left hand side equal to, we have got right hand side. Here is show that. Therefore we can write left hand side equal to right hand side showed. Okay. So we have done the maths. This is also very important maths for you. So here is 4x minus 3 equal to 5. Prove that 64x cube minus 27 minus 180x equal to 125. This maths and previous maths are same. So at least you have to write given 4x minus 3 equal to 5. 64x cube minus 27 minus 180x. 64. So always you have to follow the given. Follow the given. This is the key point. So here is 64. You can see 4x cube. So 4 into 4 into 4. 4 the 60. 4 into 4. 4 the 16 into 4. 64. So 4x cube minus, here is 27, 3 cube. So a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. So you have to follow a cube minus b cube. A minus b whole cube, 3ab into a minus b. A cube minus b cube. 4x minus 3 whole cube plus 3 into 4x into 3. 4x minus 3. Here is minus 180x. So a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Let's come back. Here is 4x minus 3 equal to what? 4x minus 3 whole cube plus 3 is a 9. 9 into 4. 9 into 4. 36. 4x minus 3 minus 180x. x. 4x minus 3, here is 5. So 5 cube plus 36x, and 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 equal to 5, 4x minus 3 equal to 5 minus 180x. So we have got 125 plus 180x minus 180x. So plus 180 minus 180, this and this cut, we get 125. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So right hand side we have got 125. We can write, therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. It is proved that. So we have to write proved. We have to write proved. A equals 7, right? A equals 7. A cube plus 6a square plus 12a plus 1 equal to what? 1 equal to what? Here is a clue is given. A cube. That means we have to convert the mass into a plus b whole cube. If you can see minus, we have to go back in minus format. If it is plus, you have to go back in the plus format. So you can say here is a cube plus, we know the formula, a cube plus 3a square b, 3ab square plus b cube. So let's come back. A cube plus 3a square, 3a square, but we don't know b. But you have to find out b from here. So write 6a square. Here is 3a. Here is 3a square. 3a square we have got 3a square. Now cut it. We get b is 2. You can say a cube plus 3a square b, 3a square b. Now here is plus 3a b square, because here is b is 2. 3a b square plus b cube. This is b, this is b. So 2 is b cube. This is b cube. But a cube, 3 to the 6 a square, 2 to the 4, 3 is the 12a. So up to this we have got, but here is 1. But here is we have got 8. 2 cube means 8. So 8 minus 7 we will get 1. For this 7 is subtracted. Now you can see up to this we can use the formula a plus b whole square, but here will be here a plus 2 whole cube minus 7. Okay. Now what is the values of a? A equal to 7. A equal to 7 plus 2 whole cube minus 7. Be careful. So we will get 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 equal to 9 cube minus 7. 9 cube. If you are interested, you can use small calculator. 9 cube equal to 81 into 9. That means 729 minus 7. We will get 722. Maths done. So we have got 722. This is also very important. This is also very important maths. Another maths is left. Find the product of. This is also MCQ type maths. Okay. For find the product, we have to follow the rules. You have to follow the rules. A cube minus b cube equal a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube plus b cube equal a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. So if you can see this part, you have to convert this math in this way. If you can see this, you have to come here. If you can see this, you have to come here. Okay. Product using formula. Okay. So let's come back. We will do find the product using formula. Here is a square plus b square, a4, a to the power 4, a square b square plus b to the power 4. So we know find the product rules is, you can see here is, if you can see here is plus, here is minus. So here is plus, here is minus. So we have to follow these rules. A cube plus b cube equal a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So just convert this maths. A square plus b square into into, you can see a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, a4, here is a square then square, a square minus ab plus b square, a square minus ab plus b square. So a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So we will get a cube plus b cube. This is a, this is b. Here is plus, here is minus. So you have to follow these rules. You have to follow these rules. So we will get a cube plus b cube. We will get a cube plus b cube. So here is a to the power 6, b to the power 6. So we have got, find the product. Actually this is MCQ type maths. This is not a big maths, this is MCQ type maths. So if you can say this type of maths, you have to follow this and these rules. Okay, let's come back. We will do this maths. Here is 2a minus 1, 4a square plus 2a plus 1, 8a cube plus 1. This is also find the product. Find the product using formula. So for product, the formula, here is two formula for product. Here is, you can see, here is minus, here is plus. So for minus, you have to follow these rules, a cube minus b cube. So at first you have to do this part, 2a minus 1 up to this, and this is another part, this is another part. Okay, let's come back. Here is 2a minus 1, that means this is a, this is b. So a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So here is 4a, so 2a whole square, a square plus ab plus b square. 1 is the b, 1 is the b. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. We get a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. You can see a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube. Here is use second bracket, use second bracket. Here is 8a cube plus 1. So we get, here is 8a cube minus 1. Here is 8a cube plus 1. So we can say here is a plus b, a minus b. So we know a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So we have got 2a minus 1, 2a square, 2a plus 1 whole square. This equal to a cube minus b cube. So 8a cube minus 1, 8a cube plus 1. So a plus b into a minus b. We get a square minus b square. So we have got here a to the power 6 minus 1. This is the answer. So we have got, find the product. So if you want to learn this chapter completely, so you have to follow all the lectures deeply. So in upcoming lecture, I will teach you chapter exercise 4.3, resolve into factors, and I will start in the next lecture LCM and HCF. So stay home, stay safe.